Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate apps in Slack. All right, let's begin. First, open Slack on your browser or desktop application and log in with your account. You can sign in using your email, or if you prefer, through Apple or Gmail for quicker access. After logging in, select the workspace where you want to integrate the app. Make sure you choose the right one, since each workspace may have different teams and projects. Once inside your workspace, go to the App directory, also called the Slack App Marketplace. You can find this by clicking on Apps from the navigation bar. Here you'll see a variety of tools designed to improve productivity, collaboration, and communication. Use the search bar to look for a specific app or browse categories if you're exploring options. For example, you might add Trello for task management or a polling tool for team feedback. After selecting your app, click Open in Slack. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant permissions and finish the integration. So that's basically how you can integrate apps in Slack. That's it for this video. Thanks!